this is like a good go-to chocolate chip. Maybe you're looking for one. Maybe you're looking to try a new or have a new go-to chocolate chip recipe. So
we have white and brown sugar that goes in together, and then we have 1 egg, and then our vanilla, and then we're going to measure out 3/4 of a cup of canola oil. So for our dry ingredients, we are using all-purpose flour.
Right.
And whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give
Right.
that a mix.
Good. Yeah.
Like muffins, you don't really want to over mix it a lot, but you just want to nicely combine it together. And then we have oats, 1 cup of oats that we're going to add. I'm surprised you haven't had a chocolate chip, Des. You have to be watching who's enjoying all your chocolate chips when you're baking. It just comes together. You could do it by a mixer or just by hand. But if you don't have one of these, you need to get a cookie scoop. And it will make 36 perfect cookies.
Okay.
350, 10 minutes. Super easy to pull together. Great in the freezer. Wonderful for lunches.